What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about very funny thing. Actually I'm laughing because of what I'm going to go and teach you about. So do the Harlem Shake, as everybody knows about that. If not, then just go and search on do the Harlem Shake and watch this video. Or by the time if you just go and do the Harlem Shake, if you just go and hit on enter, it is going to definitely go and do the Harlem Shake. And is basically making the website goes big, small, and all the rotation and all. So for that, how we can go and do that, I'm going to go and give you a JavaScript code, and you have to go and visit my ZealPlex page. So zealplex.ga, I'm going to go and give you my website link in my description. Then you have to go, there you go, this is me, right? So then you have to go and click on my blogs, and here is the code which I have given. Just go and click on read more. So this is my website. Alright, so if you want to know more about me, you can visit on this website and get to know about me. So this is the website. I just added the code right over here. Just double click on it and copy the code. Now I have another website which I'm going to go and test this to the Harlem Shake on. Now that website name is sends.sms.ga. So this is my website. This right over here guy is me, and here's my story if you are interested to know about me. And this is send SMS. For that, what you have to do is, I have already given the tutorial in my blog post, but I'm going to go and give you the video tutorial right over here. Just click on inspect element, click on console, and forget about all of this one. Just go and paste that one, Control V, and just hit on enter, and there you go.
Do the Harlem
I hope you enjoyed that one. You can do with any of the website, even with my ZealPlex website. I go and inspect on element. Let me just go on my videos, and this is going to be interesting because if you go on videos, this is going to be the videos which I do and make on my YouTube videos. So if click on inspect element, click on console, and paste that one, Control V, and hit on enter. That's my logo.
do the Harlem
So that's a very nice thing which you can do in any of the website. Remember, it is going to be a temporary. If you just go and refresh it, everything will be normal, so don't worry. So that's about it for this video. Just go and follow my ZealPlex page. It is going to be in my description. Click on blogs, and you will find how to make website do the Harlem Shake, and there are other blog posts as well. And read more and do the Harlem Shake. This is the tutorial. I'm making a video for that. Double click and you will get the code. Copy that one, and that's about it for this video. I hope you try that out. I hope you found this video I'm going to definitely know that you are going to enjoy this one. So see you guys next time.